Dye sublimation is a multifaceted and dynamic process. It encompasses multiple formats of media and is seen everywhere the eyes wander, from tablecloths to sports jerseys. There are proper ways to use dye sublimation, and there are less ideal procedures. Let's take a quick etiquette class on roll-to-roll calendar dye sublimation. In the realm of dye sublimation, there are varieties of transfer paper. Starting with 25 to 50 gram, mostly used for medium ink coverage and higher speed printing that oftentimes requires a more sophisticated tensioning system. You'll see machines like the Mamaki Tiger 600 or the SPC Panthera S4 using these paper and speed methods. 70 to 100 gram, the most general purpose paper option, providing the most effective weight range for pinch roller paper transport systems like the current Mamaki TS, Muto, and Epson lines, are suitable for heavier ink saturation and calendar press transport, ideal for sports apparel, exhibit graphics, and large solid colors. There are also 120 gram, tacky, and non-tack paper, but today we're focusing on our Apex 95 gram paper. When printing to a roll for calendar use, it is best to leave a few feet of lead on the transfer paper. This ensures a clean and properly tensioned take-up when feeding into the calendar. Be mindful of the alignment and tension of the transfer paper rolls before your media begins its sublimation stages. Given you've allowed the calendar the proper time to heat, the machine should be in a range between 300 and 400 degrees with a sublimation duration of 40 to 45 seconds. Different applications will elicit diverse temperatures and times. Prior to feeding paper into the calendar, it is helpful to have a shaped cut end that meets the take-up. This creates an even tension and eliminates wrinkles and consequent transfer errors. It is always recommended to use protective tissue paper. Even when measured twice and all sizes are accounted for, tissue paper helps keep any extra ink off of the calendar's belt. As the assembly of papers and materials catch at a slower rolling speed, you'll feel the calendar's tension pull. Depending on your project, after about 8 inches to 1 foot, it is apropos to increase the speed of the machine for the duration of your dye sublimation transfer. Mind the operating wind pressure for each roller involved in the transferring process. There are varieties of calendaring machines, thus determining different output locations. In this instance, we're dye subbing on the Practix Manufacturing OK10CP rotary transfer machine. So as your materials work through the calendar, you will see the successful transfer output from the back. For longer roll print formats, it is tidiest and most common to attach your finished print to a roll during production. Of course, for pre-cut items this is not the case. And there you have it, a quick roll-to-roll dye sublimation etiquette course.